everyone, welcome to today's Micro PD. I'm Jess Davis, Director for Learning at RVIS, and today's PD is about how to make your learning stick. From the book, Make It Stick, The Science of Successful Learning. So learning is about information going in, but then your ability to retrieve it from your brain. And so I'll give you 3 tips today. One is distributed practice over time. Instead of learning something just in one session, spend time over the course of days or weeks practicing your learning over time. You're more likely to recall it after you've forgotten it and relearned it. The second tip is self-quizzing. So give your brain the opportunity to try to recall something without it there in front of you. You're more likely to remember it over time. The last tip has to do with this, a highlighter. How many of you use this to highlight an article or when you're trying to remember information? Throw it in the bin. You're much better off getting a blank sheet of paper and spending time taking your own notes from a video or article. Then you can more easily access them afterwards and your brain's more likely to remember them. Thanks for watching.